Hi, today's style is a bubble braid with hair wrapped elastics. I really love this one. I'm excited to show you how to do it. So let's get started. Whenever I do a ponytail in her hair, I like to take a small section of hair right at the front of her head. I just make a square, then I add an elastic and do a flip. She has super fine hair and a lot of small baby hairs in front still, so this just helps to keep those hairs in place. So after I add the elastic, I just grab a topsy tail and I just put it through right under the elastic, put the hair upwards through the hole, and then pull it through just to create that flip. And that just really helps to keep those hairs in place. And then I use a comb and sometimes I use a brush. Right here I switched back and forth just to create a smooth ponytail. Now I like to make it as smooth as possible, so just take your time to do that. And I used a heavy-duty elastic to create the ponytail. I did my ponytail on the side. You could do it in the middle. It's totally up to you. So to start, you're going to grab your ponytail and go about 2 inches down and add an elastic. Now you could leave it plain like this, but I like to go around and just pull on that hair right above the elastic just to make it a little fuller. Then grab a small section of hair right below the elastic, smooth it out and wrap it around twice. Then grab a clear elastic and add that elastic right underneath the hair that you just wrapped, and that will hold that hair in place really well. And again, you can go up and just pull on that hair to make it the way that you want it to look. So again, we're going to add an elastic 2 inches down, grab a piece of hair, wrap the hair around 2 times, then get a clear elastic and just add that elastic under the hair that you wrapped around. Now I did the hair wrap before I started pulling on it. It really doesn't matter what order you do it in. So puff that hair out as much as you want and then just do this same technique all the way to the bottom of the ponytail. Once you get to the bottom, just finish pulling that hair out, and if you want to, you can add a ribbon or a bow. It's up to you. I love this style. I hope you do too. Thanks again for watching. If you like this tutorial, we would love it if you would give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe so that you can be notified of all of our upcoming tutorials. You can also click above if you want to see some of our past tutorials. We'll see you on our next video. Bye!